Hello, my name is Daniel, and today I'll be doing my presentation on the philosophy of education. So first, I'll introduce myself. So my name is Daniel Gomez. I'm a kinesiology major. I graduated last year in spring 2021 uh, with a bachelor's in kinesiology with a teacher concentration. My background is I worked in the YMCA for 3.5 years now. It's something that I enjoy doing. I like working with kids and adolescents. Some things I do there is help students with homework, complete lesson plans on social emotional health, um, child development, arts and crafts. I also coach um, basketball, soccer. So I do different things for the YMCA program. Um, my biggest goal is to become a physical education teacher to help students understand the benefits of living a healthy lifestyle. Now, next is the role of education. What is the purpose of education? It's individual self-fulfillment. That is, education must help the students develop physically, intellectually, socially, and morally. Um, what is the role of the teacher? The teacher will control and direct discussions. The teacher teaches students different problem-solving strategies and is a guide to the students to understand what they are learning and how to apply to the real world, how to apply those things to the real world, to educate them so when they become adults, they are ready to be educated citizens and participate in society. The role of the student is to use those problem-solving skills that they learn from the teacher to answer questions, to solve problems, to learn how to work and collaborate with other students, and understand about society and how they should act and feel about things going on in the world. So, what are you teaching? So, the subject area I want to teach is physical education. What is physical education? Physical education is the learning process of how to improve your physical activity or physical health level. Students in physical education learn how to improve their movement skills, such as throwing, catching, striking, jumping, and they learn how to apply it in sports like settings. The purpose of physical education is to inspire students to live an active lifestyle for the rest of their lives. So what's the goal for the students? To know and understand their bodies and how they work, to understand the importance of living an active lifestyle, and to understand the 5 health components and how each are important to living a healthy life, and to use the knowledge they learn and apply it in their everyday life, even after they're done with school. Who are your students? What is special about adolescents, and why do you wish to teach this age group? As a teacher, I want to make a positive impact on these kids' lives and give them the tools to be successful as adults in this real world. So adolescence is a group age where the transition happens, where students go through changes in cognitive and self-concept and achievement motivation. So I want to be there to help and guide them. What are my beliefs? How adolescents learn? I believe adolescents learn better with digital interactive tools. So as more years go by, technology is getting more advanced. So students are using more of their technology. Adolescents spend most of their time on technology. So using technology with interactive tools can keep the students more engaged in the content than a basic lecture where the teacher just talks, and doing more group activities where the teacher isn't talking as much, and to keep the adolescents more engaged and socialize with each other. How are you going to teach? So the curriculum, I want to teach junior highs, so I'll more specific 8th grade. Some of the things I want to teach would be like this unit on improving physical fitness, health, and performance. Some of the content standards I will use will be 3.1, which is assessing the components of health-related fitness, such as muscle strength, muscle endurance, aerobic flexibility, body composition, and using scientifically based health-related physical fitness assessments. 3.2, which is for the individual personal fitness goals for each of the components and related physical fitness using research-based criteria. So they'll learn about how to create their own goals on being physically fit using the health components. And they'll learn how to, and 4.1 to show, they'll learn how to develop a 2-week personal fitness plan, specifically the proper warm-ups, the cool-down activities, what exercise they should be using for the physical health components. So some of the instructional strategy I'll use. So how would I teach new content? So I created this website on Weebly, and I have different interactive tools that students could use. So I'm gonna go to the website. So I have this digital interactive tools. So right here, there's a game called Whack-A-Bone, which the students learn about the different bones while playing the game. I also have this game called Poke Muscle, which is the same, but the students will learn the muscles and where are they located around the body and which ones connect with each other. Also Quizlet, where I could put different questions and for them to study on about the health related components. I got MyFitnessPal, where students could track their nutrition and understand the importance of improving their eating habits. Now the next slide. What assessments would I do? So I'll do a formative assessment. It will be a quiz on the different components of the health-related fitness. The summative assessment will be like a partner project where they create a workout plan for each other, and they use their goals to understand each other's, and then use the knowledge, what they learned in class, to create this workout plan. So I created in my website. So my website, I have a digital assessment. So right here, I got the quiz, the formative assessment. It will be 5 questions talking about the different health components, and it'll test their knowledge. It's good to use in the middle of the unit or towards the end. And then the summative assessment, where the students will create the workout plan on each other and use the knowledge that they learn. And these are like the instructions I use, what content we're going to use, the project instructions, and that's pretty much it.